Hi guys, Abby here. Today I just wanted to ask you, do you know how worth it you are as a dancer? You are totally worth it. When people see you dance, they don't just see pointed feet, straight knees, arms, turns, jumps. All those things are part of it, but who you are as a person and what you are is reflected in every step you take and every move you make. And who you are speaks even more loudly than all your technique, all the jumps and turns and everything else you could do in the world. You are totally unique as a dancer, like a snowflake and everything else. No one else can be you. You can't be anyone else. So even though there might be people out there that you think are better or do something differently, you are special because you're you and nobody else is anything like you. So keep that in mind as you go into your week and take every single class like the rock star you are, just because you are special and unique. Bye.